In this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how to set up a checkout page so you can actually start making some sales and get some payments in, right? Exciting. My name is Rianna. If you're new here, I help small business owners just like you to set up simple systems so that you can track more clients, save more time, grow with ease, and everything like that. If you don't want to miss out on my upcoming tutorials, hit subscribe. And then if you're ready, let's get started. So inside your System.io dashboard, you see here, this one is empty because I use this one for the tutorial video, so you don't see all my private data. But what you're going to do is you go to Sites, you click on Sales Funnels, and when you get started, this one is empty, obviously. So when you build a funnel, you can easily use one of the templates from System.io. You click on Create, you give it a name, and you can choose one of those 4 funnels. Now, we're talking today about a checkout page, so that has to do with selling something. You click on Selling, you set it on the right currency, and you click on Save. And now if we click on Test, you see an order form, and here are all the templates you can choose from within System.io, and it's very easy. Let's say we create this one, to click on Edit Page. And now you can make all the edits to the page. You can say, okay, I want this menu to be gone, this top navigation bar. I want the footer to be gone. You can change, okay, the text number is not relevant. You see how easy it is? You click on Save. We can have a quick look at what that looks like. You can also have a quick look what that looks like on the phone, and you can adapt it. So, great, I love that. I want to show you one funnel that I've created. That is this funnel, and it looks very big, but I'm going to go through this in a couple of videos. So today we're talking about the checkout page. So that is the order form page, and I want to show you 2 different ways that I've done it. So the first funnel, these are 2 parts of the same topic, so that's why I put them in one funnel. Goes from a freebie, so this is my opt-in page. Then it goes to the order form. And this is the order form, which is very short. And here is the part that we're going to talk about today. This is part of the order form. So you have some information, which you can or don't have to, because as you saw, the other order form that we just made with System.io was directly pay. It depends on your target audience or your preference, and just testing what works the best, of course. Now, then, if they complete this, they would go to an upsell. That is this page. I can just show you so you have an idea what I've created. And they can just add it to their order or not. And then they come to a thank you page, which I want to address in one of the other videos. Okay, so what I want to show you is the order form. You've created your page. Let's go to Edit Page. You added the text. You change whatever you wanted, and now we're in this section. Now this section is also, this you can set up here. You can say, okay, I duplicate the box. I want this to be, oh, by the way, that is a really cool feature. I don't know if you realized that, but if you go to, okay, we need to go back to the CRM, and we go to Contacts. And of course I have no contact right now, but if you have contacts, you can add a new custom field. So for example, I want to know how long they've been in business. I work specifically with pediatric sleep consultants, and that's something that I want to know. I want to know their business name. So you just add a new custom field, and it's added below this, but that's not only it. When you go to Sales Funnels, and we are here in the order form, now I can change this one. It's going to pop up as the one that I created. So I love that. That is really cool. And then we have the payment methods and the order summary, and all of that is coming in the page before. I'm going to show you in a bit. We're going to have this button. Make sure that it's a payment button and that is not a normal button, because then you're not going to have all this information and they're not going to be able to make the payment. This is usually done automatically. And otherwise, you can always go to Elements, and here you can payment button added to it. And then I like to add this checkbox in it. I followed a legal course, and they were saying something about
if there's a problem and you just have your terms and conditions or your privacy policy, refund policy here, they might be able to fight it. But if they check the box before they place the order, if they didn't click on this, then that's their loss, kind of. So this is an extra protection for you, so I would highly recommend it. This is a checkbox, very easy to add here. And then I linked it to my terms of purchase. And so I made a special page specifically for this product that I'm selling here. Now I want to talk about this part, and for that we're going to go back, because all of that is done here in the lower part of this site. So what we're going to do, you have a choice between a digital product or a physical product. I've never sold a physical product so far. Would be cool one day, but I feel that it's such a hassle compared to the possibilities we have with digital products. So it's a digital product, and then you're going to create a new one. You're going to give it a name. And now resources, you might think, oh, now I just add the PDF, right? On my page, they can buy a client contract template. But that's not how it goes. So this is the part that I was struggling with in the beginning, and I want to show you because it's very, very easy. What you want to do is send them, unless you've built a course, connect them to a tag. Now, as you can see, there are no tags right now. So the tags we're going to set up here in our CRM system, and we create a tag, and you call it whatever it is. I always put bot behind it because then I can easily sort it, like is it a test lead if they opt in for my freebie, for example, or did they actually buy it? And then we want to refresh this page so it pops up. We're going to go back. I'm going to create a new one, test. And now we're going to say a tag. They bought this product. Okay, good. So far, so good. Now we need to do one more thing, and that is add a price plan. Now, as you can see, I'm now on an account that I don't have my payment details connected to it. I'm going to show you what that looks like on my official account. Okay, so now we're in the official account that's actually working, and I've added a price plan, and that is this price plan. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Let's say we want to add it. What you had to do is click on the plus, and you create a new one. You give it a name. Make sure to give it a clear name. It's going to be easier for your administration later. You can choose what kind of payment plan you want to have with it, a one-time, a subscription, or a payment plan. I love all these. These are great for membership, so you can tell them to pay like $7 a month, for example. The payment plan you can set up, now I can show you, like one payment plan, very easy, makes sense, $17. You do your tax behavior, and then you click on save. Now, if it's a payment plan, you can even give it a trial period. You say they pay $5 each month, and I want it to happen 3 times. So for 3 times, they pay $5 each month. And then I click on save. And then I have created this payment plan. I'm not going to create this one. And then it's very important, and this is being a lot of times forgotten, click on this save. Not on the save here in the top, but click on this save. So this is all saved. And then this one is going to have these 2 connected to it. Okay? Then what else you can do is create a coupon, which is really great. I use this usually to go through the funnel myself without having to pay for it. So you can create a new coupon. You can have test 100% off. And I'm going to say it's a percentage, 100%. And then you can click on save it. And now you have a coupon code that I can use if I go on this website. But this is also a thing that I had to figure out. I'm just sharing everything that I've learned in the last, how long has it been that I'm using this for my business? 3-4 years now, I think. That I run into that I didn't understand. So I want you to have everything here in one video. If you want to be able to use the coupon code, we need to go back to edit page. And you need to go here to this section and actually put an, sorry, I cannot talk, and here, this one, and add that to your page so people can actually leave that code and that it works, right? So just filling it in there is not enough. I'm going to remove this now because there's no coupon code on this page for me. So that is the coupon code. I'm going to delete this because we're now in my official business account. And then the other thing is add an order bump. I love order bumps. What it does, you can create just a new product yourself, just what we did before. And then we're going to go back to the page. And you're going to know what I mean with it once I show you. Let me see, where is it? Here, order bump. This one. You've seen this before, I'm 100% sure. So this is a little box with some information for another product. And I usually like to add a picture of the product in it and a little description. I explain that they get 50% off if they buy it today. And let me grab one to show you. So here, for example, you can see that this is the normal payment field, and then you add something with a discount on top of it. That's an order bump, so they can just select it, and then it's being added to their order, and then you can click on complete order. Now, again, if you want to add that here, you need to add this form to it, the order bump form. It needs to be on your page, because otherwise you can set it up very nicely here, but it's not going to be able for people to see and to use. Now, what we always want to do, once this is done, you're going to click on View Funnel Step and you want to see if everything works. So as you can see now, they can pay, they can agree, they can leave their details, everything is functioning well. Now we're not done yet because we added this order form, but people are not going to receive it. The only thing that's going to happen is in your contacts, they're going to receive now this tag of test bought, but they're not going to receive the product. So how you're going to do that is you go to automations. We're going to create an automation. When they buy from this product, the client contract template, what's going to happen? They're going to be added a tag. This one should automatically pop up. And then we want to add send email. And now you can create an email and add here the product that they buy once they pay for that. And then everything is set up and it's working perfectly fine. If this part doesn't work, go to my account. I have a video about how to set up your email, so it is possible that it shows up here. Otherwise, you cannot send emails. All right. I think I'm addressed everything now. If you have any questions, just drop them below. I am on top of commenting and responding to all of your questions. And if there's anything that pops up that I feel like that addresses a complete new video, I am more than happy to record that. So,
all right, that's it. Now you've set up your checkout page in System.io and you're ready to accept payments. Oh, I'm so excited for you. If this video was helpful, please give a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you don't want to miss out on any upcoming tutorials. Oh, and don't miss out on the next video about how to create an upsell page. This has increased my sales like triple without doing anything for it. So I definitely want to share this secret with you. I've linked the video below and you can find it here on the screen.